welcome to the latest issue of the Moodleman blog podcast. Today I'm going to be revisiting a piece of code I looked at a few months ago, which was the MrCute repository code, which was released by the Worcester College of Technology. I'll just say WarTech from now on, and currently is being project led by Richard Goddard. Now, the idea of this repository code was to make it very easy to deploy learning objects from a centralized repository into multiple courses. And if you do a search in the blog, you'll find the old podcast, so I won't really go into it too much. What I want to show you, though, is the development on MrCute 2 that they've been working on quite heavily, and also how you can get involved in this process. First of all, the new website is learningobjectivity.com/MrCute. Anybody can come here, sign up, and actually take part in some beta testing and give it a try yourself, and hopefully leave some feedback for the team to work on. The great thing about their site is they really are being very transparent. Well, obviously this code is being developed primarily for the UK. I'm actually using the first version here in Australia and hope to use MrCute 2 here as well. And it is being released as open source, and so they've got lots of information here in the progress of the project as we move forward. There are discussion areas, they've got nat charts, they've got outlines of their meetings and outline the progress, which has been fantastic. The most recent update has been in regards to a demo of the latest functioning code, and that code I'll actually show you in just a second. Now, so the idea here is to have a centralized repository that's simple and easy to get around. There is a test area on their site. Here it is that I've just brought. Actually, no, that's not it. Visit a test area. Once you've signed up, you actually get the option of turning editing on. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough of how this will work. They've really tried to keep it simple, which I think, especially with teachers who get too confused with the repositories as it is a fantastic step. We just go add a resource, and we just go find ready-made materials. That's the term they're using at the moment. Now, it's similar to the old code, except we have just one button, find materials. And this gives the user the ability to come in and do a search of the repository or to go through specific categories. Now, I might want something to do with, I'm going to type in something random here, bones. Here I found there are two learning objects that meet that requirement. Now, the interface has been redesigned slightly. I think it looks much better. It gives us a bit of a breakdown of a description if there is one attached, and also location inside the repository. A teacher can still preview the learning object and see it in action. In this case, he obviously is an NLN from the UK, and if they like it, they can choose. So it's still a very short, simple process. I then give it a name that I want. Facial bones. I can't type, we get the idea. Facial bones and muscles. I really can't spell. A description if I wanted to give it, and just save and return to course. So what they have done, and I'm very much glad for the steps that they're taking, is first of all, they're not overwriting the old IMS repository, which was the way around it last time. Now they're actually developing their own, which means it won't be impacted every time you upgrade the code by you having to put yours back on top. And this much cleaner interface, I think, makes life much easier for teachers. Now, of course, they can just limit it to a certain category or not. We have a few advanced options. We can search by title, keyword, we can do descriptions or author. Again, that's hidden by default, which I think is a much better idea. And of course, this screen here is most teachers are familiar with. We've got the options of new window or not new window, and so forth. So again, it's still in development. You can't get this for your sites yet, but it will be available soon. I do urge you to come in and check it out, and please remember to come in and go to their progress area and make sure you leave comments, support and feedback for the team so that they can continually shape this product a way that's going to be most useful for many users. Until next time, I'll see you later.